Do you know that there is one website where you can earn money and never feel the need to go to another one? Well, that's exactly what I'm gonna show you today. This is how much I managed to make last week, and I will show you now how to involve yourself in this as well. It's simple, it's easy, and it works, so if you want to make some money, follow me along the video and please like it as well because it really helps. Now, let's get started. And this is it, guys. This is the website in question, and right now I'm gonna show you how you can earn a lot of money on this website and by using this website alone. So there will be no other websites except for some traffic uses, but this gptplanet.com is gonna do everything for us. Everything that you need for making money online, this website has, guys. You can see that for first tasks, you can just earn money by completing those simple tasks online. Everyone can join, whether you live in Asia, in Africa, in Europe, in America, whatever, guys. You can join and it's absolutely free. You can here see that total members on this website is nearing 1 million, and that's great, guys. That's great. We need to know that this is a popular website, and as you can see, a lot of money has been paid out, and some of this money I have earned as well, as I have shown you. And right now I'm gonna show you how you can do the same thing. Of course, I did my homework and I went on and did some research on this GPT Planet. On this Foxy rating, it has 4 out of 5, and that's pretty good out of 1,000 opinions, guys. So it is pretty well rated. Here you have some pros and cons over here. I found this one as well. So is it a legit or a scam? I found some reviews as well, and here as well, this is like a blog or something, and this guy reviewed it and he has conclusion at the end. I have read it, but now I want to show you guys. So there is a conclusion down there. Just a second. Yeah, this is it. Conclusion: GPT Planet is a reputable GPT website. That is why I'm adding it to my list of legit GPT websites. As you can see, these are some reviews on Trustpilot, so there are a few stars. So for this user, the site is a good PDC site and it pays really well. So if all these people are satisfied, guys, you will be as well, because I surely am. And back to the website, back to our GPT Planet. This is gonna make us money, guys. Just look at here. It is very simple. You will just register on their website and you will start earning those monies. And you can just view certain advertisements, so you can refer new brands and you can complete offers. So basically, you trade your time for some money. And that's the best thing, guys. You won't have to do anything hard. And here you can see that you can cash out your earnings after you do all of that, and you can do it via Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, Perfect Money, or even Bitcoin, guys. So if you want to get some Bitcoin, you can connect your Bitcoin wallet to here. And the sweet thing about this is that the minimum cash out is only $1, guys. So as soon as you hit that threshold, you're able to withdraw your money to your wallet, to your PayPal, to your Skrill, whatever, guys. You can see here various features, but let's not go over that right now. Let's just go and do what we have to do in order to start with this, guys. You only have to click here on register button, and now you will just have to complete this simple information about yourself. So for example, you will just put in your full name here. You will choose a username for yourself. You will complete this birth information, your email address, which has to be valid, of course. Just make sure you enter a valid email address, and here you will type in your payment account. So whatever you use, you will just type it here. But guys, you don't have to do it on registration window. You can as well do it later in your profile options when you register. So for now, just complete this part over here, enter this image verification, and click on register button. And now, once you are logged in, guys, this is your dashboard. You can see everything here. You have a lot of information. You can just wait for it to load. We have some ads right away, but those are not gonna get us paid. So once you are in here, you can see that there is a lot of information. So in order for you to not get confused once you get in, I will now lead you through these steps. So for example, first of all, guys, you can just go and click here on view ads. View ads is the perfect option for you. You will have to choose between these fixed advertisements and these nano ads, and that's what's your first step. So just come and watch all of these ads in both of these categories, and that's your money, which is already enough for withdrawal. How sweet is that, guys? You will just watch it, just play it in the background, and that's it, guys. After that, guys, just click here on earn more, and now here you have a lot of options. As you can see, a lot of options. You can choose whatever you want. I like this GPT grid, and that's like a bit of a lottery, but it's very good chance that you win it. You can win up to $1,000 if you spot the right one. So for example, I don't know, let's choose this one, camel's head. You have all of these boxes, so you have to choose only one now. So let's click on it, and then it will lead you to a site like this. You can see GPT Planet is here, and they say to wait please. So you just have to wait until this goes to the right, and that's your money. I mean, you have to be lucky for this. As you can see, your click has been validated, but you were not a winner this time. You have 9 chances left for today. So this is like a lottery, which you can do 10 times a day. And you have the option to get $1,000. As you can see, this picture is changing all the time. So let's do it once more. I want to show you, and let's click on this eye. And now you'll see once again until this green bar goes all the way to the right. Let's see, your click has been validated, but you were not a winner this time as well. So my luck is bad, but yours shouldn't be. And now once you are done with that, guys, just click here on earn more and click on these wanna ads, and this is where I am right now. You have these top 15 best offer earners in February, so you can compete with people as well. You have some rewards, but skip that for now. You have these offer walls and just do all of these. You have surveys as well, you have mobiles on wanna ads, and now here on wanna earn more, you have these offers for all. So there are some offers more here. There are a lot of them, guys, and there are a lot of other options as well. You have this flip the coin. This is also lucky option, so you can just flip the coin and maybe you're a winner, maybe not, but this PDSU is very, very awesome, guys. This is paid to sign up. So for example, you will just go and sign up on certain page and you will get, for example, $50. So just go on this Neobox, sign up, make yourself a new account there, and you will get this money. How easy can that be, guys? Just make yourself an account on all of these websites, and all this money will add up quickly to your account, and these are refreshing constantly, so you will never run out of this. Make sure you do all of that and your account will skyrocket from there, guys. You will just go and then click on account and then click on this withdraw button over here, but you will not be able to withdraw until you get $1. I got my money already, so I gotta do some work here as well. And of course, one more thing that I have to show you is these referrals. So if you go on direct referrals, you can see that you can get some referrals here and get some commission out of what they earn, guys. So if you have someone in your family or someone of your friends who want to make money online as well, just refer them to here and your account will get more money in the process. More commission for you, more some of that passive income, and that's what's great about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you will get it done, and I'll catch you later.